Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming compatibility and getting the right cable or adapter. Check whether your secondary Mac supports target display mode or if you'll use Sidecar, AirPlay, or direct video output. This determines the physical cable or adapter. Once you have the cable, plug it into the correct Thunderbolt or USB-C port and power both machines. Make sure both Macs are on the same Apple ID for AirPlay/Sidecar, and update Mac OS to avoid driver or protocol mismatches before continuing. Now make the actual connection and configure displays. If using a cable, plug in and wake the secondary Mac, choose displays in system settings and identify which screen is primary versus extended. If using AirPlay or Sidecar, open Control Center, select Screen Mirroring or Sidecar, then pick the target Mac. You may need to enter a verification code. Once connected, adjust arrangement, resolution, and refresh rate so cursor travel and window snap behave predictably. This fixes scaling and performance. Finish by optimizing and testing workflows. You should confirm audio output and keyboard/mouse focus. Change these in sound and keyboard settings. If performance lags, switch to a wired connection, lower resolution, or disable advanced scaling. These steps reduce GPU load. If the display won't appear, reconnect cables, toggle AirPlay, or restart both Macs. Inspect adapters for bent pins or dirt. If only one side shows blank, try safe mode or reset NVRAM/SMC as a last resort to clear hardware-level configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.